In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning wireframe effect on your object using a few simple steps in Blender. Wireframes are incredibly useful for visualizing the underlying structure of your 3D models, and applying this effect can give your design a new, compelling look. So let's dive in and learn the process from start to finish. First, you'll want to select the object you plan to transform. Simply click on it in your 3D viewport to highlight it. Once you've selected your object, it's time to head over to the Modifiers tab. You'll find this tab in the Properties panel, easily recognizable by its wrench icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to add various modifiers to your object, enabling you to manipulate its form and appearance in creative ways. Within the Modifiers tab, there's a button labeled Add Modifier. Clicking on this button presents you with a menu of all available modifiers. Here you're going to focus on the Generate category and select the Wireframe modifier from this list. This is the key step that will begin transforming your object into a striking wireframe. Once the wireframe modifier is applied, you'll want to adjust the thickness setting. This parameter is crucial as it controls how bold or subtle the wire lines appear on your object. You can experiment with different thickness levels to achieve the look you desire. Whether you prefer a delicate web-like appearance or a more pronounced geometric structure, this flexibility allows you to tailor the wireframe effect to your exact specifications. There's another option worth noting in the modifier panel called Replace. By checking this box, the original mesh will be hidden, leaving only the wireframe visible. Alternatively, if you uncheck it, you get the wireframe superimposed on top of the existing object, adding a layer of dimension and depth that can be quite striking. To further refine the wireframe's display, locate the Overlays drop-down menu in the top right corner of the 3D viewport. Expand this menu and scroll down to find the Geometry section. Here, you'll spot a checkbox labeled Wireframe. By checking this, you enable real-time viewing of the wireframe in your workspace, which is immensely helpful for quick previews. Plus, in this same area, you can tweak settings such as the percentage and opacity of the wireframe, allowing you to fine-tune its visibility and intensity to perfection. While these steps give you a fantastic real-time view of your wireframe, if you're looking to create a permanent render, do remember to utilize the Render Viewport option. This ensures that your final output captures the intricate details of the wireframe effect you've crafted. And there you have it, a straightforward process to enhance your 3D models with dynamic wireframes. These steps are designed to be easy to follow while offering a range of customization for your creative projects. I hope you find this tutorial insightful and inspiring for your next design endeavor.